This is Daily Tech Now, where we cover breaking news in the tech industry every day. In today's news, Meta has introduced a new tool called Code Llama, which is built upon its Llama 2 large language model. The purpose of Code Llama is to generate new code and aid in debugging code written by humans. This tool is designed to enhance developer workflows by making software development and debugging tasks more efficient. Code Llama utilizes the same community license as Llama 2 and is available for both research and commercial use without charge. Code Llama offers several functionalities. It can generate code strings when provided with prompts and can also assist in completing and debugging code when given a specific code string to work on. To cater to specific use cases, Meta has introduced different versions of Code Llama. One version is a general purpose model, while another version called Code Llama Python is specialized for Python programming. There's also a version called Code Llama Instruct, which can comprehend natural language instructions related to code. Notably, Meta emphasizes that each version of Code Llama is distinct and not interchangeable. Additionally, the base Code Llama and Code Llama Python are not recommended for processing natural language instructions. Meta highlights that programmers are already utilizing large language models like Llama 2 to aid them in various programming tasks, from writing new code to debugging existing code. The primary objective is to streamline developer workflows, allowing them to focus more on the creative and human-centric aspects of their roles. In terms of performance, Meta claims that Code Llama outperformed publicly available large language models in benchmark testing, although the specific models it compared against are not mentioned. Code Llama achieved a score of 53.7% on the Human Eval Code benchmark and demonstrated an ability to accurately generate code based on textual descriptions. The release of Code Llama encompasses 3 different sizes to accommodate diverse project needs. The smallest version is designed to run on a single GPU, making it suitable for projects that require low latency. Code generation tools have been prevalent in the developer community. For instance, GitHub launched Copilot powered by OpenAI's GPT-4, which assists developers in swiftly writing and validating code. Copilot can even revise old code to bring it up to date. Similarly, Amazon's AWS offers Code Whisperer, a tool for code writing, validation, and updates. Additionally, Google has an upcoming code writing tool named AlphaCode. It is worth noting that Microsoft, the parent company of GitHub, and OpenAI are currently facing a lawsuit alleging copyright infringement with regard to Copilot. This is due to Copilot's capability to reproduce code that is subject to licenses. This has been your Daily Tech News, and please subscribe and come back tomorrow for more.